Hello viewers, today topic Devi Katyayani. Significance of Devi Katyayani. Devi Katyayani is worshipped on the 6th day of Navaratri. She is a fiery form of goddess Durga and is revered as slayer of sage of the demon Mahishasur. Worshipping Katyayana Mata empowers devotees with courage, strength, and protection. Meaning of name Katyayani, named after sage Katyayan, who worshipped her. She is an aspect of Mahadevi and form of goddess Durga. Mantras Om Devi Katyayani Namah. Benefits from planet by worshipping Devi Katyayani. Katyayani Devi is associated with Mars, planet of energy and aggression, symbolizing her fiery warrior form. Bhog to present to Mata Katyayani. Honey offered to Devi Katyayani during Navaratri. Honey symbolizes sweetness and vitality, helping devotees overcome obstacles. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then like, share, comment and subscribe this channel to get next episode of Durga Devi during this Navaratri. Thank you.